Here's a hot tip, No More Knots by Paula Hope, the Caravan Hooker. Now right now I am working on a project with a 12 ply, or otherwise known maybe as a bulky 5. Chunky, it is definitely on the lighter side, so the 12 ply, but it's still quite a thick yarn. And I've just come to the end of my first ball. Now I don't want to be forming a chunky knot that is going to put a big hard piece of yarn. So let's just form the stitch to the point where we're going to be drawing through at a yarn over position to come through all our loops. Now I'm working half double crochets, or in US terms, or that would be also known as a half treble. Let's just look at that again. So I'm at the point where I'm ready to do the final drawing through of all my stitches to complete it. So I've used the new ball to start that, and then I'm just going to do one little tie off, and that'll be the tiny little knot that I'll have in the work. Okay, so let's just continue doing a couple more stitches, and then let's have a look at how that is all sitting. It makes such a difference. Now this technique can be used when you're changing colours as well to get a seamless join through there as well. So look at that, there is no big bulky knot. We're going to come round to that next row, and I'll show you how you can begin to weave in or capture that tail through the next part of the stitches that you're going to be forming. So when I get round, I just want to stop maybe a couple of stitches beforehand. Because the knot is lower, I'm just going to put my hook through one of the upper loops and draw that yarn up closer to the top. Now I'm doing a half double crochet in the back loop, and I'm going to want to incorporate the tail into my stitches as I go. So I'm coming to the front of the loop, the front of the tail into the back loop, yarn over, drawing through, yarn over and drawing through. And that enables me to almost like leave the tail in the tunnel that is created by those stitches. Generally I will do 3 or 4 of the stitches and capturing it, and then I will actually use a needle to weave back on itself, because if you don't, with some stretching you may find it pulls out. So with my second tail there, I will probably just weave that in with a needle. I just don't want the bulk that you can get when you make knots. I hope you found that helpful. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Happy crocheting!